In the past few days, on media, especially social media, Musk was once again being called upon to rescue astronauts. This time, not from the ISS, but from China's Tiangong space station. Of course, people were mostly joking. Even if Musk wanted to, US law blocks direct cooperation with China's space program, and SpaceX's Crew Dragon isn't compatible with China's space station systems anyway, due to their completely different engineering designs. So, what actually happened to China's astronauts? Why is the media saying they were stranded in orbit? Alright, to be fair, it's more accurate to call this a delayed return, not a real rescue emergency. The 3 Shenzhou 20 astronauts had completed their 6-month mission aboard Tiangong and were preparing to come home. But during routine inspections, their return capsule was found to have microcracks in a viewing window caused by an impact from orbital debris. After running simulations and wind tunnel tests, engineers confirmed that the capsule did not meet safety requirements for re-entry. As a result, the crew couldn't return in their own spacecraft. Fortunately, China already had another spacecraft docked and ready, Shenzhou 21, which arrived on 1st November with the next crew, has a fully functional return capsule. So the Shenzhou 20 astronauts will return to Earth aboard Shenzhou 21, with landing scheduled for Friday, the 14th November. A replacement Shenzhou 20 return capsule will be delivered by Shenzhou 22, which will launch after all safety and readiness conditions are met. This is a rare instance of a crew returning to Earth in a different spacecraft than the one they launched in. Something that doesn't happen often in human spaceflight.